Today, we unravel a cornerstone of modern manufacturing, data collection. In an age dominated by innovation, the ability to gather, analyze, and leverage data isn't just an advantage, it's a prerequisite for success. Data collection forms the backbone of any forward-thinking manufacturing operation. It's more than just the process, it's a strategic imperative that propels businesses into the future. Manufacturing is a data-rich industry, with countless sensors, machines, and processes generating valuable insights every moment of every day. These insights are the raw material that fuels informed decision-making, process optimization, and efficiency improvements. By not monitoring and analyzing this flood of data in real time, many companies miss opportunities to optimize processes that drive continuous improvement. The significance of data collection has never been more apparent. In a world where artificial intelligence is not just a possibility but a reality on the horizon, the importance of robust data collection cannot be overstated. But why, you might ask? Well, simply put, data is the currency of the future. And as AI becomes an integral part of the manufacturing landscape, data collection isn't just on the radar, it's at the forefront of innovation. An AI algorithm is only going to be as good as the data that it's trained on. Deploying an AI tool on the same day that you start a data collection project renders your algorithm ineffective. It's like expecting a high-performance car to run without any fuel. So, what does effective data collection entail? It's about capturing not just the what, but also the why and the how. It's about understanding the intricacies of your processes, the nuances that make your manufacturing unique. It's about turning raw data into actionable insights. And it's going to be different for each manufacturer. For some, it may just mean pulling and storing PLC tags. For others, it could include installation of additional sensors. Whatever they are, here are the 6 areas that need consideration when starting a data collection initiative. Machine monitoring. This involves collecting data directly from machines and assets. For instance, sensors can be installed to monitor temperature, pressure, humidity, vibration. This can help in predictive maintenance, reducing downtime and improving machine efficiency. Production monitoring. This involves tracking the manufacturing process from raw materials to finished goods. It helps in identifying bottlenecks, improving production planning, and reduces waste. Quality control data. This involves collecting data about the quality of the products, identifying defects, and improving processes, ensuring the consistency of products. Inventory management. Tracking raw materials, components, and finished products helps optimize inventory levels and reduce costs. Energy usage data. Monitoring energy consumption of processes can help in identifying opportunities for energy savings and improve sustainability. Workforce data. Having the ability to be able to overlay operator data on top of production data can provide huge insights into workforce performance. In the journey towards Industry 4.0, data collection is not a passive process. It's a proactive strategy. It's about having your finger on the pulse of your operations, because AI will become an integral part of the manufacturing landscape. Imagine a manufacturing ecosystem where every machine, every process, every input and output speaks a language that when decoded reveals opportunities for improvement, innovation, and growth. In essence, data collection is not just about numbers on a spreadsheet. It's about empowerment. It's about giving your team the tools to make decisions that drive success. Interested in harnessing the power of data collection for your business? Reach out to NEFF and let's embark on a journey towards a data-driven future. Thanks for watching.